Hi, welcome back to Lucas Learns to Cook. Today we are cooking biscuits. Today we are having chicken with Brussels sprouts and apple cider.
You're going to do what part of the meal?
The biscuits.
And
I really like them.
what are you going to have on yours?
Maybe butter or honey or both. We made the biscuits from a recipe from Mom on timeout.com. We'll post the recipe in the description. Here I mixed the dry ingredients like butter, flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Once it comes together, we knead it a few times. Then we cut it into circles with a glass. Finally, we put them on a baking pan into the oven to cook. This is what the biscuits look like. I like honey on my biscuit, and I think it was a 10, a thumbs up.
Yeah, I think it's good. And we used Minnesota honey, and we tried killer bee honey. We like the normal honey, and yeah, that's it. Film out!